What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my studio. In this video, I'm going to do a short little story time, I guess. I had everything set up to do a live stream from the mountaintop on my hiking trip. Because sometimes you sit around at your computer and look for days, maybe weeks, for the right reference photo. And sometimes you just got to go out there and find it. After climbing a mountain for what seemed like all day long, we finally got to the top, got set up, sat down to relax, checked out this wonderful view, and well, then I sat down and I waited, took out my stuff and got ready to do some sketching. I set up my live stream, YouTube said it was good, my phone said it was good, but absolutely nothing was happening. So that's why this is the live stream that wasn't. So let's take a look at my kit. Inside my kit, which is ultralight, so I can take it hiking with me, I have this cloth. The cloth is mainly there to keep everything from rattling around in the little tin. Inside I have a 4B pencil, a 2B pencil, an H pencil, and a 2H pencil. I have one small metal pencil sharpener, a chunk of white poly eraser, and a couple of paper blenders. Underneath all that, I have my papers, all cut to fit within the tin. On the very top, I have a protector. This is just to keep any stray lead marks from getting onto my drawing paper. The drawing paper is all 140-pound hot press watercolor paper. Excuse me. Can you believe this? Studio assistants. Am I right? Come on, get out of here. Okay, so back to what we were doing. I had my papers, and these are the two sketches I did. Looking out from the top of the shelter at the top of West Mountain in New York. This one was looking at the sunset through the woods. The other drawing I did is a view of that panoramic shot I showed before. It's not incredibly detailed, it wasn't meant to be. They're meant to be tiny little reference sketches. That's all they are. And this is the entire kit. This is all I needed to bring, and all I wanted to bring. Here we have a look at the two drawings I did. I spent about an hour on them, and then shut off the live stream to find that nothing happened. But hey, sometimes when you go out to a mountaintop, you're gonna lose connectivity. So, you get what you get. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Remember to like and subscribe, share it if you want, and I'll see you next time.